Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. So I'm going to just start off by showing you guys the unboxing. This wig does come with an elastic, those adjustable elastic bands. I think they sent like a second one in addition to the one that's already in the cap, so I appreciate them doing that. This is a bob wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I'm just going to show you guys, you know, how the wig looks before any manipulation or anything like that. So today, instead of just flat ironing it and keeping it straight, I decided to put some curls in it, and I'm going to show you guys how I curled it. First of all, if you don't have this particular wig tripod from Amazon, I would highly recommend getting it. I've had it for about 2 or 3 weeks, and I've had other ones in the past and they have been a pain because they're not sturdy, but this one is very, very sturdy. Highly recommend it. I'll have links in the description box for you guys. So when I'm curling this wig, or how I curled this wig, I started off in the crown area. I would section off a piece of hair, spray it with volume spray because this is a silky texture and I wanted those curls to be intact. So I would curl the wig with a curling iron, and then I would pin it with just like a clip, and I did the middle section first and then I curled the sides as well. I ran out of pins, so I didn't pin the sides of the wig, but I did basically the same, you know, method of curling it, and I made sure to keep the curls going away from the face, and it definitely added a lot of volume, and you guys will see that after I'm finished. So I'm just gonna let this play. Alright guys, so I have curled this wig. It's been several hours now, so I'm just gonna apply this on my head. And it was a 360 wig, but I already cut the lace behind there. I'm gonna assume this is a medium-sized cap. It has a really great fit to it. Like, it's just a little bit longer than my ear, but this is really good how it fits on my hairline. Okay, so here are the specs on this wig. This is a 12-inch, 150% density, silky straight Brazilian virgin 360 bob. So this is considered a bob. It's silky, like I said, it's silky straight in texture. It's a natural black, 12 inches. It is a medium to large cap, which is 22.5, and it's 150% density. Has baby hairs around the perimeter, but I don't know if I'm gonna be utilizing those. Pre-plucked hairline. I just tweezed it up a little bit more, but actually the hairline looked really good. It has bleach knots and an adjustable elastic band, which I love and appreciate. And I do have a coupon code. It is Brittany15, and that is $15 off of any wig on their website. It doesn't say what lace color, but I always prefer to get light brown because I feel like that just blends best. So I'm gonna cut the lace and probably use some got to be glued to apply this. So as far as styling with this wig and application and everything, I applied this wig using some Aussie holding spray. I couldn't find my got to be glued at the time, like my free spray, so I just used that. That spray worked pretty well. It foamed up a lot more than the got to be glued free spray. And when I was applying this wig, I did leave just like my edges that were exposed out. And I feel like it looked a lot more natural, even though my hair is definitely kinky, you know, compared to the silky texture, but I feel like it still made it look natural. And what I noticed, I thought this was initially light brown lace, but it kind of feels like it was a tad bit too dark for me. So I'm not really sure if this is light brown or medium brown lace. When I was styling this wig, I think it turned out really pretty. I really love the bang action that came about because of the way that I curled the wig. So if you're somebody that likes a lot of volume in your bang and some nice swoop action, definitely try this way of curling your wig. And those curls will last a while, especially if you put the volume spray on each section that you do. As far as like tangling or shedding, I didn't really experience any of that with this wig, and I feel like this is a nice everyday manageable length. It's a little bit longer than a lot of the human hair bobs that I feature on my channel, and I appreciate that. I do like that it's a little bit longer, and it just looks really pretty. I would just work on the lace a little bit more before I would feel comfortable going outside with it, but it is very pretty. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig or any wig on WowAfrican, you can just use the links that I have in the description box, and make sure to use my code Brittany15 to save some money at checkout. Shout out to WowAfrican for sponsoring this video, and shout out to you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.